This is Dr. Robert Thiel, and I'd like to speak to you about vegetarian tyrosine. Tyrosine is a so-called non-essential amino acid, which means that everything's working right in the body. Your body can convert phenylalanine into it. The problem is a lot of people have issues doing that. Actually, in our clinic, even though we can sell all the amino acids that there are, the one that we sell the most of is vegetarian tyrosine. It's more than all the other ones put together multiplied by a factor. Why? Because there are a lot of issues with tyrosine, and people tend to need tyrosine. Tyrosine is used by the adrenal glands as well as the thyroid. The primary thyroid hormone is called monoiodotyrosine, which means it uses tyrosine in order to do it. Almost all tyrosine sold are either from GMO sources, means they contain genetically modified organisms, or they come from animal sources. This one does not. We actually have to import the tyrosine from Spain in order to get the real thing without GMOs. Some people find that tyrosine can be helpful for mood. I find a lot of people it helps with focus. It also can be helpful for energy concerns. So if you're looking for the real thing and you don't want GMOs and you don't want animal sources, the best tyrosine I'm aware of that's on the market is vegetarian tyrosine.